Did you know that over 40% of professional tasks could already be automated with AI today? And most people don't even realize it? While many people are still experimenting with basic AI tools, others are already using AI to replace entire workflows: writing, coding, design, research, and even customer support. And here's the crazy part. One person using the right AI tools can now do the work of an entire team. So the real question is, are you using AI to multiply your productivity, or will someone using AI replace you? Because in this video, I'm going to show you 10 powerful AI tools that could completely transform the way you work. Let's begin. First on the list is ChatGPT, the all-in-one AI. ChatGPT has become one of the most widely used AI tools in the world, with hundreds of millions of users using it for writing, coding, research, and problem solving. For example, marketers use ChatGPT to generate ad copy, blog posts, and email campaigns in minutes. Developers use it to debug code and generate software scripts instantly. Even small businesses use it to write product descriptions, automate customer replies, and brainstorm marketing ideas. In many cases, ChatGPT can replace multiple software tools and hours of manual work. Next is Claude, one of the most powerful AI writing assistants. Claude is especially known for its ability to analyze long documents and generate high-quality writing. For example, lawyers and researchers use Claude to summarize hundreds of pages of reports within seconds. Content creators use it to write scripts, articles, and newsletters faster than ever. What makes Claude unique is its ability to maintain clarity, context, and structured reasoning, making it extremely useful for professional writing tasks. Now let's talk about Cursor, one of the fastest-growing AI tools among developers. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor that can write, edit, and debug entire programs with simple instructions. Instead of spending hours writing complex code, developers can simply describe what they want the software to do. For example, a developer could type, "Build a login system with authentication and a database." And Cursor can generate the working code automatically. This dramatically speeds up software development and allows small teams to build products much faster. Next is Google Gemini. Gemini is designed to handle massive amounts of data, documents, and research. Businesses use Gemini to analyze large data sets, summarize reports, and generate insights that would normally take analysts days to discover. For example, companies can upload financial reports, spreadsheets, and research documents, and Gemini can instantly explain patterns and trends. This makes it extremely powerful for business intelligence and research tasks. Next, we have Notion AI, a tool that turns your workspace into an AI-powered productivity system. Notion AI can automatically generate meeting notes, task lists, project plans, and summaries. For example, teams can paste an entire meeting transcript into Notion, and the AI will instantly create action items, summaries, and project updates. This helps teams stay organized and eliminates hours of manual documentation. Next is Perplexity AI, often called the AI search engine of the future. Unlike traditional search engines, Perplexity provides direct answers with verified sources. For example, journalists and researchers use it to quickly gather accurate information from multiple sources. Instead of opening dozens of web pages, Perplexity can summarize key insights from the internet in seconds. This makes it extremely useful for research, fact-checking, and learning new topics. Next is Zapier, a powerful tool for automation. Zapier connects thousands of apps like Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, and CRM platforms. For example, a business could create an automation where a new customer email automatically triggers a response, a CRM update, and a task assignment, all without human intervention. This allows companies to automate repetitive workflows and save hundreds of hours every month. Now let's talk about Midjourney, one of the most advanced AI image generators. Designers, marketers, and creators use Midjourney to generate high-quality artwork, thumbnails, marketing visuals, and concept designs. For example, YouTubers create thumbnail graphics in minutes instead of hiring designers. Game developers use it to create concept art and environment designs quickly. This tool is revolutionizing creative industries. Next is ElevenLabs, one of the most realistic AI voice generators available today. With ElevenLabs, creators can generate human-like voiceovers in multiple languages and tones. For example, YouTubers use ElevenLabs to produce professional narration without recording their own voice. Businesses use it to create AI customer support voices and training videos. The quality is so realistic that many listeners cannot tell it's AI. Finally, we have N8N, a powerful automation platform designed for advanced workflows. Unlike simple automation tools, N8N allows users to build complex AI-powered systems that connect multiple apps and services. For example, businesses can create workflows where AI automatically collects data, analyzes it, sends reports, writes arrow, and triggers decisions. This allows companies to build fully automated digital operations. So, what does all this mean? We're entering a world where AI doesn't just assist people. It replaces entire workflows. Tasks that once required teams of writers, developers, designers, and analysts can now be handled by a single person using the right AI tools. This doesn't mean jobs will disappear overnight. But it does mean one thing. People who learn to use AI will move faster, work smarter, and outperform those who don't. The future will belong to people who know how to collaborate with artificial intelligence. So the question is, will you adapt to the AI revolution or be left behind by it?